This company is a subsidiary of engineering and technology giant L&T, enabling efficient flow control with a diversified portfolio of valves. They cater to all the industries across the world. The Coimbatore unit has been providing flow control solutions through its unique valve technology and with its state-of-the-art machining center. And the silver award goes to L&T Valves Limited, Coimbatore unit.
L&T Valves celebrates the Diamond Jubilee this year, and the National Award for Manufacturing Competitiveness by IRIM adds a sparkle to our celebrations.
We are a trusted source for various flow control products across the globe. We supply to over 51 countries, and we are also focusing on time delivery of over 80% in this complex working environment. All these factors put together have made us one of the world-class companies, and a competitiveness evaluation in manufacturing by IRIM has given an acknowledgement to what we could actually achieve. Thank you very much. We will continue in our journey of excellence.